beyond electricity. 9U's revolutionary water-driven gears redefine the future of robotics. For decades, humanity imagined robots powered by wires, batteries, and endless electricity. But a quiet revolution is flowing in from an unexpected source: water. At New York University, scientists have created machines that move without a single spark. Instead of motors, they use the hidden power of liquid itself. Tiny gears are placed into flowing fluid, and suddenly, motion is born. Not from code, not from circuits, but from physics. This field is called active matter. Inside the liquid, invisible currents push, pull, and guide the gears into synchronized movement. They do not touch, yet they communicate. Pressure becomes language. Flow becomes intelligence. The result is liquid-state robotics, machines that live inside their environment instead of fighting it. One day, water-driven micro-robots may travel through the human body, explore deadly oceans, or build factories powered by nature itself. The future of robotics is no longer electric. All the details await in the link below. Share it and be part of spreading the news.